In this video, I'll show you how to use the new Etsy keyword research tool to find better keywords for your listings. First, sign into your Etsy account and open Shop Manager. From there, go to the Marketing section and look for the Search Analytics or Keyword Insights area. This tool shows you how buyers are finding products on Etsy and which search terms are driving traffic. Next, enter a keyword related to the product you want to sell. The tool will display search data such as how often buyers search for that keyword, the level of competition, and whether the trend is increasing or decreasing. Now review the suggested keywords that Etsy provides. These related terms can help you discover new ideas for your listing titles, tags, and descriptions. Try to focus on keywords that have good search volume but lower competition. You can also compare multiple keyword ideas to see which ones might perform better. Then update your listing title, tags, and description using those keywords so your product is easier for buyers to find. Using keyword research regularly can help your listings rank better and attract more potential customers. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.